Samsung is back with its latest innovation in wearable tech, the Galaxy Watch 7. Packed with cutting-edge features, a sleek design, and advanced health tracking, this smartwatch is set to redefine the way you stay connected and healthy. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Watch 7 features a stunning Super AMOLED display, now enhanced with micro-LED technology. This means brighter visuals, richer colors, and improved energy efficiency. Available in sizes 40mm, 44mm, and a rugged 46mm Pro model, it caters to everyone's style and needs. Choose from sleek aluminum, premium stainless steel, or durable titanium builds. And for the classic enthusiasts, the rotating bezel makes a return in the classic model. Under the hood, the Exynos W930 processor powers the Galaxy Watch 7, delivering lightning-fast performance. Paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, multitasking is effortless, whether you're running apps or storing music. Battery life? Expect up to 2 days on the standard model, and an impressive 4 days on the Pro model. Plus, with fast charging, you'll get a full day's use in just 30 minutes. The Galaxy Watch 7 takes health tracking to the next level. With its advanced heart rate monitor, ECG, and blood pressure monitoring, you'll always stay ahead of your health. New to the Galaxy. Watch 7 is skin temperature tracking, and rumors suggest non-invasive blood glucose monitoring may finally debut this year. With over 90 workout modes and enhanced sleep tracking, this smartwatch is your ultimate fitness companion. Running on Wear OS 4 with Samsung's signature One UI watch interface, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers smooth navigation and a seamless experience. Download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store, track your progress with Samsung Health, or stay connected with LTE and 5G models. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the dual-band GPS for precise navigation even in remote locations. The Pro model includes an action button customizable for quick access to workouts or navigation. With a water resistance rating of up to 100 meters, it's perfect for swimming and water sports. And let's not forget its military-grade durability, making it ideal for any adventure. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in 3 models. The standard Galaxy Watch 7, priced at $299 to $349. The classic Galaxy Watch 7, with its iconic bezel, starting at $399 to $449. And the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, designed for the ultimate adventurer, at $499 to $599. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who wants it all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 has something for you. Stay tuned for its official launch, expected in August 2025, and be among the first to experience this game-changing smartwatch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching.